afternoon, everyone, and a very warm welcome to our business partners. This year, we may be divided by geographies, but our shared history keeps us together. We remain connected and united, bound by a voice that calls out to us, motivates us, inspires us, and tells us to keep moving forward. No matter where we are, we rise to the call of the blue. 2020 was a year like no other, filled with challenges, despair, and obstacles. But we at Yamaha draw inspiration from the road. We know that unpredictability, rough rides, and tough journeys sometimes hold the promise for the greatest adventure. They remind us that no matter what, the road goes on and we must too. Today we are here to celebrate the ride that you made in 2020 and see what's in it for store for 2021. Leading the way and inspiring us, it's an absolute pleasure for me to invite the Chief Executive Officer and President, Yamaha Motor Company Limited, Japan, Mr. Yoshihiro Hidaka.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Yoshihiro Hidaka, CEO and President of Yamaha Motor Company. This is my third dealer meeting in India since the year 2019 and my first time to deliver my message online to you. I have a little regret that I cannot see you directly in this tough situation, but feel grateful that I still have an opportunity to make my short speech. Firstly, COVID-19 changed everything last year, and it had a huge impact on all of our lives. Lockdowns were introduced, travels were restricted, and it became difficult to see our beloved families or friends. However, you are hardly coming over this situation. I cannot stop admiring your being strong-willed. At the same time, it helped our business as well. All regions and operations were affected by COVID-19 in the first quarter, and this trend remains as it was in the second quarter. On the other hand, the result of the third quarter shows our shift to a phase of recovery from the adverse effect of the pandemic. While demand recovery remains slower in ASEAN market, we have been seeing signs of recovery in immediate total demand, primarily in developed market, Latin America, and above all, India. As it is the biggest motorcycle market in the world, its rapid recovery drastically helps overall business situation. Let me convey my sincere gratitude for your relentless efforts to keep on bringing our customers candle in the bitter time. This recovery couldn't be achieved without your cooperation. As your effort has been going on in the pandemic situation, we have continued all R&D activities. We don't stop R&D even in the toughest time because it is to feed our future. This is one of the most important lessons I got from another tough time of the financial crisis over a decade ago. And even we concentrate such R&D resources on India, where is coming over the difficulties as the vanguard of the world. Thus, this year, you would discover two unique product campaigns which are full launch of Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X and MT-15 Customize Your Warrior. And in addition, as many as 8 more new models. This is special to India and exceptional for any other countries and market while continuous new model introduction will go on after the year 2022. You can consider that this itself is our expectation and the biggest support to Indian market. To maximize the benefit of this rush of new models, we will promote digital transformation of our marketing. So far, we introduced several digital tools to promote our business, such as digital lead management system, renewed web page, online booking, and others. Thanks to your cooperation, these tools are achieving a great success, but I believe it can achieve more. Actually, we Yamaha head office was selected as one of 35 DX stocks among a lot of listed companies in Tokyo Stock Exchange. It means that we have been considered to be promoting digital transformation to change business models and management practices. I believe that potentially digital tools can change customers' behavior in a fundamental way. To implement the same in India, we are to keep on introducing innovative tools, which is fully supported by our dedicated digital marketing team. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I thank all of you again for your tireless effort to be ready to deliver our customers Kando even during tough time. It must not to be too much to say, we owe you current business recovery. Moreover, Indian market from now on would lead Yamaha's motorcycle business among other world economies in downturn due to COVID-19. Now, I hope Indian market grows even bigger than what it was before the pandemic and bring this country great prosperity and that all of you enjoy it. And I hope that Yamaha brand is always beside you to achieve such a great success. Thank you, everybody. Let's share a beautiful fruit of world-leading growth next time.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hidaka. From one inspiring leader to another, it's an absolute pleasure for me to invite on stage Mr. Motofumi Shitara, Chairman of Yamaha Motor India Group of Companies, to say a few words. Very good afternoon and a very warm welcome, Mr. Shitara.
Yes.
The floor is all yours.
Okay. Hi, good afternoon. Namaste. I'm Motofumi Shitara, Chairman of Yamaha Motor India Group of Companies. As we begin the agenda of today, I wish this year 2021 brings more happiness and prosperity to you and your family members. I also want to thank everyone for showing great effort and cooperation in 2020. It made Yamaha extremely proud of doing business with you. At the same time, I would like to regret for not having enough supply due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Last year was all about unexpected challenges. We are quite hopeful of a growth due to the huge potential of the Indian market and the ever-growing demand. But the continuous lockdown and the shutting down of India's economy due to COVID-19 disturbed our plan to great extent. The entire value chain was disrupted, and it made things quite challenging. In these challenges, it was your dedication, effort, and your confidence in the brand Yamaha that helped us bring our business back on track in the second half. Growth for Yamaha in 2020 in the second half was very impressive as we grew by 21%, which is the best result in the industry. I am thankful to you for this support. Well, now, I must begin with revisiting our commitment and the journey so far. We introduced the Call of the Blue campaign in 2018. The purpose was to differentiate Yamaha from competition. Our unique identity, exciting, stylish, and sporty, was given highest priority across all business functions. We introduced exciting products like sporty motorcycle and stylish scooters. New campaign and customer promotion were launched. Soon, we were able to win positive sentiment of the customers more. The Call of the Blue went ahead with many exciting portfolios. Last year, we have considerably gained market share in the scooter segment due to our all-new 125cc lineup of Fascino Lazier Street Rally. Due to these products, your hard effort in some of the areas, we have got more than 30% market share in the segment. This shows acceptance of the brand and alignment of our overall strategy with the market scenario. We have also seen fair results and decent performance in all motorcycle segments. Apart from products, we have also been able to build the strength of our retail network in 2020. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, 39 new dealers have joined Yamaha family. I want to thank you all for showing your trust in brand Yamaha in these tough times. 80 number of Blue Square outlets were opened across the country as a part of commitment of aligning our network with racing DNA. Impressive style and offering all range of apparels and accessories apart from two-wheelers. Customers from digital platforms have been increased. We have followed customers with the whole lineup of two-wheelers, apparels, accessories with the help of e-commerce and online sales. Customer reaction to were rewarding as many dealers have earned good profit by following Yamaha strategy. In 2021, we would like to expand and capitalize on the good work carried by you all in the last year. It is our vision to make dealers profitable. If you follow our strategies that are in line with our vision, it will be easier to grow our retail network as the strongest part of our business. And we will make every effort to support our dealers. You will be excited to know about our plan for this year. Exciting product portfolio, strong network, and effective promotion are the most effective weapons that will help us to steadily gain profit and growth. New technology like Bluetooth Connect, Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X will add more exciting experience with every Yamaha ride. MT-15 color order plan will further help us to get more sales number as this is based on the customer preference. These are two important elements of our overall strategy in 2021. We will introduce new products in this year which will be aggressively marketed under the Core of the Blue brand strategy. In addition to Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X and MT-15 Customize Your Warrior, another 8 products will be launched. I believe that these products will express Yamaha uniqueness to customer and will contribute to your business. Not only that, we promise Yamaha will introduce exciting new products continuously even after 2021. To see these exciting, stylish, and sporty products, we will drive the expanding new network in vacant market and opening of 100 plus new Blue Square outlets during this year across the country to offer premium feeling to you, our customer in our showrooms. We have consistently tried to promote our product and campaign in all forms of media to generate curiosity among the customer and support increasing footfall at the dealership. Also, we will continue to promote our products and campaign under the brand direction the Core of the Blue in electronic, digital print, and on-ground promotion medium to draw attention of every potential customer. Our investment for the advertisement will also be increased 4 times from previous year so that we can maximizing our visibility in the potential market. Our digital team will also operate optimally in order to reach out to more customers with our product and experience. We believe that digital marketing and online retailing will help dealer business to gain stability besides making them profitable. Before I close my address today, I would like to request all of you to follow our directions so that we can create more excitement for customers as well as grow our business in 2021. Thank you once again for your support and cooperation. I wish all the best for the new business year. Namaste.
Thank you, Mr. Shitara. There's certainly a lot to look forward to. To tell you more, it's my pleasure to invite on stage Mr. Ravinder Singh, Senior Vice President of Yamaha Motor India Sales Private Limited.
Thank you, Sonali. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Ravinder Singh, Senior Vice President of Yamaha Motor India Sales Private Limited. Firstly, I would like to express my deepest gratitude for your efforts during the tough times of COVID pandemic in 2020. In 2020, Yamaha could achieve the highest growth in the second half. Also, we were able to expand market share in all segments. This achievement was only possible due to your support and cooperation. We deeply appreciate your efforts. To begin with, let us analyze the result of 2020 with the help of a video. Can we have a video, please?
The aggregated demand for 2020 has decreased by 23% compared to 2019. Supplies were hit in April and May due to COVID-19, and April witnessed no sales across industry. However, from August 2020 onwards, it has recovered and shown an upward trend, and it has witnessed growth of 10.5% compared to 2019 August to December. Sports segment has also shown degrowth of 26% compared to 2019. Again, if we compare August 2020 onwards, there has been a growth of 19.2%. Overall scooter segment has degrown by 28%, but 125cc has degrown only by 7%. Comparing August 2020 with 2019, 125cc has rapidly recovered and growth of 36%. This is the segment in which we have launched our scooters in 2020. Talking of Yamaha figures, we sold 5,05,000 units in 2020. we saw 2 months of strict lockdown and maintaining supplies became difficult. But due to your hard efforts, sales started to recover from July onwards. Yamaha has grown by 21% from July to December 2020 compared to 2019. This is the highest growth in industry. Thank you for your efforts. In the premium segment, overall market sales declined by 15%. Yamaha increased its market share by 0.4%, and total market share is 9.7%, thanks to increased sales of MT-15 Global Color. In the deluxe segment, overall market sales volume declined by 33%. Yamaha increased its market share by plus 1.9%, and total market share is 14% share due to strong sales of the FCS FI. In the scooter segment, the overall market saw a 28% decline in sales volume. The decline was particularly severe for 100cc scooters. Yamaha increased its market share by plus 1.2% to 6.1%, thanks to strong sales of new 125cc scooters, especially the Ray ZR, up plus 1.8% from previous year.
As we have already seen in the video, we could recover rapidly after July 2020. Also, we could expand market share in all segments. As explained, demand for 125 scooter is strong even in this situation. In the beginning of 2020, we have introduced 2 new scooters, Fasino 125 and Ray ZR 125. With this launch, we are able to increase our presence in the 125cc scooter segment. Our market share is 21.6% nationwide in 125cc category. Some of the markets like Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Assam and Northeast have captured a market share of more than 30%. This all is possible due to expansion activities and hard work of all of you. These are our dealer partners who have grown in sales numbers compared to 2019. Despite of COVID-19 pandemic and no supplies of almost 2 months, these dealer partners have grown in adverse conditions. Also, as I mentioned earlier, that we have done exceptionally well in the second half of 2020. Without the support of our dealers, this was not possible. Let us see the 387 dealers who made this possible. From South, 129 dealers have grown in second half of 2020 compared to 2019. From East, 93 dealers have grown in second half of 2020 compared to 2019. From North, 84 dealers have grown in second half of 2020 compared to 2019. From West, 81 dealers have grown in second half of 2020 compared to 2019. I would like to call on stage our chairman, Shitara-san, to speak a few words about this achievement of our dealers. Thank you for joining us, Shitara-san. This is a great result, Shitara-san. Despite all the challenges, these network partners have done exceedingly well in 2020.
I'm very happy to see this result. This is truly what we call at Yamaha the challenging spirit. I want to congratulate all these partners and their team for their hard effort. I'm sure we will see their excellent performance in 2021. Also, all the best.
Thank you for your kind words, Shitara-san. Apart from the tremendous support of our dealer network, we always believed that our branding strategy of the Call of the Blue could contribute to dealer profitability. Before 2018, our focus segment was commuter and 100cc scooters. The monthly turnover per dealership was 2.9 lakh per month. However, with the Call of the Blue campaign, we released R15 version 3 and continuously launched FZS F5 version 3, MT15, then 125cc scooters in 2020. The result of this action is that average monthly revenue per dealership has jumped by 50% to 4.3 lakhs per month. The shift to sell high-value models has resulted in expansion of your profits. As our chairman Shitara-san has said, we are committed to make your business more profitable in year 2021. Firstly, we will show our demand forecast after 2021 with the help of a video. Can we have the video, please?
In 2020, demand in all segments has decreased due to COVID-19 pandemic. However, Yamaha predicts that market will recover rapidly in 2021. By 2025, the market is expected to expand to 2.5 crore.
Especially the demand in 125cc scooter and sports segment will expand drastically.
As you saw, we are predicting that two-wheeler set demand will recover in 2021. Demand will increase, especially in the sports segment and 125cc scooter segment. Yamaha promises to all dealer partners that we will continue to invest all marketing resources, especially in these growing markets. Next, I will talk about our branding strategy. Our strategy of Call of the Blue, which we launched in 2018, has created a unique experiences, and attached pictures are testimony to the love shared by the customers. In 2020, with the launch of 125cc scooters, the association with the young TG continued, and we got immense support from the customers. Of course, our core customer in the sports segment also expanded. The Yamaha riding community, Blue Streaks, have grown to 31 teams nationwide. Even under the COVID-19 situation, a total of 57 rides were executed with over 2,000 participants who enjoyed touring. Premium segment customers are always seeking an opportunity to have fun with their vehicle and connect with the fellow Yamaha riders. I would request all Yamaha dealerships to join Blue Streaks and develop a biking community in your area. Now let's summarize our branding activity and strategy with the help of a video. Can we have the video, please?
Yamaha launched a new brand strategy, Call of the Blue, from 2018 onwards. Under this brand campaign, all marketing strategy is executed. As communication, Yamaha invested a lot for advertising with unique creatives.
As network, expanded network to vacant markets.
Also, flagship shop, Blue Square, is launched and expanded. As product, R15 in 2018, FCSFI and MT15 in 2019. Casino 125 and Razzie R125 were launched. These activities will enhance Yamaha's uniqueness and differentiate us from our competitors. Year 2021, Yamaha accelerates the Call of the Blue. As for communication,
As network,
as product, these activities will enhance the uniqueness of Yamaha.
Network expansion is one of the most important strategy for Yamaha to increase the presence in each market. In 2020, even during the COVID-19 pandemic, 39 outlets have been inaugurated. I request our chairman Shitara-san to once again join me on stage and welcome these new dealers partners to the family. These are 39 new dealers who have joined us in 2020, and they will be taking brand Yamaha to next level in their regions.
This is a great feeling and welcome them to the Yamaha family. I am even more excited to see their confidence in brand Yamaha. Despite COVID-19, they decided to invest in the business and trusted us and admire and assure them of the best support, bright future with Yamaha.
Thank you, Shitara-san. Our sales team will do the best possible hand-holding for these new dealers. A warm welcome to the new members once again. Despite adding 39 numbers in 2020, there are still many vacant markets. We would like to expand our network by another 200 to 250 numbers by 2025. Also, our flagship shop strategy, Blue Square, has been expanded in 2020. Let us watch a video to further understand this. Can we have the video, please?
As on today, Yamaha opened 18 Blue Squares in India. It has been well received and supported by customers. We will continue to expand Blue Square nationwide as Yamaha's flagship shop. Frontage of Blue Square is light up by blue light box. It will help to identify Yamaha showroom and increase footfalls of Indian bike lovers. These are some examples of Blue Square, how it looks like both daytime and nighttime. Interiors of showroom is inspired by Racing Pit. Not only products, but also accessories, apparels are displayed. Blue Square offers options for your biking life. Also, Yamaha has developed special display for MT-15 Customize Your Warrior, with displaying colored wheel and body cover parts along with the vehicle. We believe that it will attract customers to select MT-15. Many dealers have given their support to the Blue Square policy, and we plan to open 105 Blue Square locations nationwide by the end of 2021. As for today, 18 Blue Square has been established. We got many positive feedbacks from customers.
In 2021, more than 100 Blue Square shops will be opened. We will be providing a special support to all those dealers who are starting Blue Square shops. For more details, please contact our area sales managers. Now let us revisit the product we launched last year with the help of a video. Can we have the video, please?
In the sports segment, the competition launched many new premium models in 2020. In the scooter segment, competitors have launched BS6 compliant models, special colors, and limited edition models. In 2020, Yamaha introduced new scooters like Fasino 125 and Ray ZR 125, Ray ZR Street Rally. In sports segment, Yamaha introduced the FC25 series. Also, global color versions of the MT-15 and MT-15 color order plan. Customize Your Warrior. Dark Knight and vintage version of the FCS-FI with Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X.
We are always looking at ways to enhance our products. We have introduced Bluetooth connectivity Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X for FZ 150cc range in 2020, along with a color order plan for MT-15 Customize Your Warrior. We got great response from the customers. Yamaha believes that these campaigns are unique and they differentiate us from competition. Further, they will helpful in expanding the sales. The newly developed Bluetooth connectivity and app Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X was introduced for FZS-FI Dark Knight and vintage color variants in 2020. Let us talk about Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X. This feature was launched based on research results from customers when asked about the expected feature for this next model. Bluetooth Connect is highly regarded among the young customer. Also, we have checked expected functions for Bluetooth Connect. Find me, navigate me, and follow me are most expected functions. And only Yamaha Motorcycle Connect has all these top 3 functions. Yamaha will adapt this feature to a wider range of upcoming product lineup. Request all dealer partners to prepare a demo vehicle at dealerships to showcase a customer how this function works. Here is a video to explain the detail of Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X. Can we have the video, please?
Let's get started by adding your vehicle. Click on Add Bike and link the app to your vehicle by entering the chassis number and press Next. Once entered, proceed to scan the QR code of the Bluetooth device and press Confirm. Read the terms and conditions page and press Accept if you agree. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and press Verify. Your vehicle is now connected. Now you can use the many features available on the application. Congratulations! Now that you are connected, let's get started. For starters, you can make your bike stand out by clicking on Answer Back. This feature will activate the indicators and horn of your bike twice. To find out information about all your previous rides, click on Riding History. You can also view individual trip details of every ride by clicking on it. Under each trip detail, you can find out the distance covered, average speed, brake counts, and battery voltage details related to the specific trip. We also have a filters option which allows you to check specific details of all rides you've covered even if you have multiple bikes connected. You can also locate your bike by pressing Locate My Bike. When this is done, all 4 indicators will illuminate for 10 seconds. You can also electronically lock your bike and prevent theft by using the E-Lock feature. Click on Enable E-Lock to set lock pattern. Enter your 4-sequence lock pattern with any indicator combination and click on Save to save the E-Lock pattern. In the absence of your phone, you can manually unlock your vehicle by turning the indicator switch as per the E-Lock pattern saved. Another useful feature is the hazard option. Upon clicking on the button, all the indicators start blinking continuously to notify fellow riders on the road to be cautious. That's not all. You can click on Parking Record to view your last parked location. Apart from this, there are 5 other features that you can access from the side menu bar in the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X app. Just press the menu icon on the left side of the screen to view your profile, your vehicles, About Us, Privacy Policy, Change Password, and Log Out. Now you can go ahead, download the app and enjoy your ride into the world of Yamaha.
Thanks to the effort put in by all dealerships in 2020, the sales of MT15 has drastically increased by 55%. As you know, contribution of Global Color, Ice Flow, and Vermilion is more than 70%. Also, according to Yamaha research, many customers appreciate the color and graphic of MT15 and colored wheels. Now I will explain about MT15 Customize Your Warrior. To catch the potential customer's trend and accelerating sales of MT15, Yamaha came up with the idea of MT15 Customize Your Warrior in November 2020. In addition to the existing color lineup, customer can select their desired 3-body color and 4-wheel color from 11 available combinations. Also, we have developed a special website to simulate the color combinations. After Yamaha launched this project, there were plenty of positive feedbacks from both dealerships and customers. However, all customers are not aware of this campaign. We would like to request all the dealerships to decorate your showrooms with available POP tools and create an attractive display to accelerate sales of MT15. Yamaha has also started a massive TV promotion to promote MT15 Customize Your Warrior campaign. Let us see a video for this promotion. Can we have the video, please?
MT-15, available in 11 new color combinations. Customize your Warrior now. Visit YamahaMotorIndia.com for more details.
We hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, do try and display the attractive POP communication in your showrooms and get more customers interested in this wonderful campaign. Let us see a quick review of the 125cc scooter segment. Expansion of scooter sales is key for our plans in 2021. As we have shown, Yamaha market share in 125cc scooter has drastically increased in 2020. We have researched with our customers on which features of Yamaha 125cc scooter they find it attractive. Top 3 features are automatic stop and start system, quiet engine start system by SMG, and side stand with engine cutoff switch. These features are also available in some of the competitor models in upper grade. But the key highlight point is Yamaha has made them standard in all our scooters. Yamaha believes that by promoting these features, sales of Yamaha scooter can be expanded more. In order to do so, Yamaha has developed a new promotion video. Request all dealer partners to utilize this video in showroom, workshop, and your online media. Let us now have a look at the video. Can we have the video, please? I hope you enjoyed that. I would request you to use this video in your showrooms and workshops and your respective online media. Besides the video promotion, we believe that customers should also experience touch and feel of our scooters in order to understand what a Yamaha scooter is. That's why Yamaha has come up with the idea of Roar 10 crore test ride campaign. We hope that dealer will encourage as many customers as possible to test ride our product in order to expand sales. Also, we have created an idea to expand this campaign to be utilized by existing owners of Yamaha 125cc scooters. Let me explain this with the help of a video. Can we have the video, please?
For Roar 10 crore campaign, Yamaha have developed special website with Test Ride My Yamaha campaign. This campaign is an exciting opportunity for owners of Yamaha 125cc scooter to win exciting Yamaha merchandise. All they have to do is to give their friends and family a test ride of their 125cc scooters. Click a picture with the ride and upload on the Test Ride My Yamaha webpage. Based on the number of photos one uploads, the participants will get gratified with Yamaha goodies. Request to promote this to all of your customers and encourage them in joining this campaign.
I hope you are excited about the many plans we have got lined up for you. Now let us talk about advertising. One of the strong points of Yamaha is stylish design and unique way of advertising. As we have committed, Yamaha has increased investment for advertisement to increase visibility and expand the awareness of our products. Let me further explain to you this with the help of a video. Can we have the video, please?
We have developed brand communication that differentiates Yamaha from other companies, and we have invested huge amount on advertising to improve Yamaha's presence in the market. We supported our dealers with TV promotion campaigns, digital and out-of-home advertising, as well as in newspapers in 2020. In addition to mass advertising, we conducted a nationwide scooter caravan campaign to let people actually see our products on the streets. We were able to increase awareness of the vehicles by having the vehicles seen in the advertisements run on the streets. We plan to expand this activity. In 2021, Yamaha plan to invest more to mass advertisement to increase visibility of Yamaha products and increase presence in each market. We have prepared 4 times higher budget than year 2020.
In 2021, Yamaha promises to increase the investment for mass advertising. On the other hand, harmonization of advertisement and dealer decoration is very important. What a customer watches in an advertisement and what the customer sees when he visits the showroom should be the same for high recall. Request all dealership to complete inside marketing before the start of mass advertisement. Please discuss with our area sales manager how to make up your showroom to maximize sales. We all know digital is the future. Let us talk about digital marketing now. Yamaha has accelerated its digital marketing in 2020. Digital marketing is an essential weapon to expand the business, especially to young customers, and to realize one-to-one marketing to meet diversifying needs and create an environment where customer can make purchases anytime, anywhere. In 2020, Yamaha developed a new website and e-commerce site for vehicle and accessory sales. As of now, 242 dealers partners are participating in this program. We would like to request all dealerships to join an online business because this is the way forward. Let us see a video to understand this further. Can we have the video, please?
We have redesigned our website into a site where people can experience the Call of the Blue brand. Understanding Yamaha products and Yamaha news is of course made clear. We have made clear customer journey to invite customer to respective dealerships. Not only website, we have also developed e-commerce site so that customer can book Yamaha products through Yamaha EC site. For vehicle online booking, customers select vehicle, specification, and colors. Then customer can select dealership
who has stock of particular product in DMS. Then customer will register their information and process payment. For online part sales, also have same flow. Select items, then customer will select dealership based on stock availability of each dealership. As for now, 242 dealerships are participating Yamaha online sales. We would like to request all dealerships to join this program.
We know all of you are expecting a new product announcement today. As our top management explained, we plan to launch 8 new products in 2021. Today we are announcing the first product, new FZS FI and FZ FI. Here is the new FZS FI and FZ FI for you.
Yamaha new FZS FI will be launched with Bluetooth Connect, Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X for all color variation, convenient and safety feature side stand with engine cutoff switch. New FZS FI and FZ FI has got reduction in weight by 2 kilograms for better handling. Exhaust sound also has been newly developed for more aggressive riding feel. Logo emblem become 3D to get more high-class vehicle imagery. Applied features are in line with keeping FZS FI as stylish, comfortable, and durable vehicle, matching the concept of Lord of the Street. Coloring of FZS FI. It has 5 attractive colors including Dark Knight and Vintage Edition. FZ FI has 2 colors. Ex-showroom price of Delhi for FZS FI is 1,07,200 rupees. FZ FI is 1,03,700 rupees.
Well, that's a great looking product. I can see why it merits the title of Lord of the Streets. Let me ask you a little bit more about the launch of the new FZ series, Mr. Ravinder.
I'm delighted with the launch of new FZ. This is our first weapon out of 8 in the year 2021. I'm sure our dealer will sell a good number of FZs. I have already said that we will accelerate our marketing efforts. We have also made a new TVC film for FZ matching the overall concept. Let us have a look. Can we have the video, please? As we have explained, Bluetooth Connect is one of the most expected feature of customers. Also, the side stand with engine cutoff switch is a highly appreciated feature by all Yamaha customers. With new color and new high quality 3D emblem, we believe new FZS FI will increase presence in your market.
I know you have more announcement to make, Mr. Ravinder. So I'm not going to keep you or the audience waiting. I know how eagerly everybody has been awaiting the remaining surprises that you have in store. So I'll leave you to it.
Thank you, Sonali. As I have already explained, we believe that our two unique product campaigns, Yamaha Motorcycle Connect X and MT15 Customize Your Warrior, will contribute immensely to your business. Moreover, today we cannot explain much in detail, but we would like to briefly explain about our upcoming products in 2021. We have never seen 8 products being launched in 1 year in the long history of Yamaha India. Yamaha believes that these products will increase Yamaha's presence in your market and increase your profitability. May we have the video, please? Yamaha is going to introduce 8 new products in 2021. We have 3 new products in the premium category, which means we will expand our customer range. The deluxe category, along with the FZS FI and FZ-FI that we have seen today, will also see a new product with a new concept. In the scooter category, we will look forward to introducing premium products and enhancing existing products with advanced features to appeal to a wider range of customers. Can you imagine what this means for your presence and profitability? The possibilities are truly endless and the potential is huge. Yamaha is preparing to introduce these products with the highest effect in 2021. As I said, Yamaha is committed to increase your profitability. To accelerate sales and support your business, we will introduce strong sales incentive scheme from time to time. In 2020, we had introduced an incentive scheme based on area and products considering competitive condition. Also, we will rebuild YCS incentive to improve stable supply chain management. We are sure the new incentive scheme will help and maximize your business and profitability. With this, I conclude my presentation, and I assure you of best products and promotion in 2021 with such strong support from Team Yamaha. All the best.
That was absolutely brilliant, Mr. Ravinder. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonali.
Thank you. I'm sure everyone is looking forward to making this year a winning one. Before we sign off for the day, I'd like to invite Mr. Hidefumi Kawai, Director, Yamaha Motor India Sales Private Limited, to please say a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kawai Hidefumi, Director, Yamaha Motor India Sales PVT Limited. At the outset, I express my gratitude to all our network partners for extending support during the tough year of 2020. Without your support, we would have not been able to make a remarkable recovery in the second half of 2020 and beating the industry growth rate. Year 2021 is going to be a crucial year as we step into the new calendar year in a post-COVID scenario with new zeal and zest. As our chairman Shitara-san has said, we are committed to increase your profitability, and for that we are strengthening our product portfolio with 8 new products. Our Senior Vice President Ravinder Singh has explained in his presentation about our plans for 2021. I believe with teamwork we can achieve these plans. Let me explain to you the team structure for 2021, who will work closely with you in the respective markets. I personally will be managing the overall operations at the top and will be assisted by Ravinder Singh. In the national role, East and the West zone will be handled by Latish Nair, who will be assisted by Asif Iqbal Khan in East and Subhashish Mohanty in the West zone. Ravinder Singh will be supervising the South and the North zone in dual role and assisted by T.G. Mohan Raji in South and Saurabh Sinha in North zone. All the 4 zonal heads will be assisted by area sales managers in conducting the day-to-day operations. Let us work closely as one team and achieve our goals. We have managed well in 2020 and tried our best to adapt to new normal. In 2021, we hope the situation will be recovered soon, but in some area or sometimes we will continue with same approach, which means restricted business visit by our staff to dealerships. Not visiting dealerships does not mean a decision and guidance is delayed. Our ASMs will make best use of the technology and give instant suggestions and solutions to the issue through Microsoft Teams meetings. Further, the head office team and the management will be in constant touch with you through video calls. We are trying our best to explore all the possible solutions, respond as quickly and efficiently as possible. Year 2021 is crucial for our long-term plans and your hard effort required to achieve the business objectives. Today's launch is just the beginning of what is in store for 2021. Be assured of many more surprises in coming months. Let me conclude this business meeting by reminding you that Yamaha is committed to increase your profitability by providing you with a world-class product and providing best advertising support in order to increase sales in your respective markets. Together as one team, we can make it happen. All the best.
Thank you so much for all your inspiring words, Mr. Kawai. With that, we've come to the end of a session that has hopefully left all of you feeling charged, inspired, and ready to take on the year ahead, motivated and driven to give it your best. We have seen from today's presentations and plans that there's a lot you can look forward to. Endeavors and initiatives to support you. Wonderful, innovative products that will lead the way, and most of all, the belief that you are a part of the Yamaha family and we are in this together. So go ahead, heed the call of the blue. Be unstoppable, be fearless, be brave, and begin your powerful journey into 2021. Certain that milestones are around the corner and that destination success awaits. Thank you for joining us today. Stay safe, stay well, and stay true to the call of the blue.
There's a feeling that I can't control. I can hear it in my heart and soul. It's calling out to me and you. It's the call of the blue. 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 Desire that I can't explain, like a fire in my every vein. When I hear it, nothing else remains. It's the call of the blues.